Hey you guys, today I have some quick neutral glam for you guys and I'm going to jump right in. So I'm going to be using all the colors from my Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to start out with this dark brown / black color. And I can't even pronounce these names, so I'm not going to mess it up. But I'm going to take it on the Morphe E17 and I'm going to use that to apply to the outer corner of my eye by placing the color on the lid. And then I'll go in with my transition shade to help blend that color down. So I'm going to use these two shades that I'm showing you here for my transition shade. I'm going to use it on a Morphe 322 to go in using the same technique where I place the color on the lid and then I'm going to start lightly buffing the edges. Once I've gotten most of that color placed down, I'll go in with my next transition shade on a Morphe MB46. And I'm going to use that to blend towards the inner third of my eye. For my final color, I'm going to take this muted like gray tone and I'm going to use it on a BH Cosmetics flat / angled brush to go in and apply that on the inner third of my eye. This color ends up being a little bit too close or dark for my skin tone, so I then go in with the white shade right next to it and I apply that right on top of it. So once I've gotten all my shades on my eye, what I'm going to do is go in with my brushes that I use to apply the color and just go in and further buff and blend everything together, adding more color where I feel like I need it. And I just love this application method because it's super easy to get, and the colors kind of do most of the blending for you as you lay them on top. So it's kind of a layering method, and if you're a beginner, I highly recommend you learning how to do your eyeshadow this way. And then once you got this down, be much easier for you to learn new techniques. So once I've gotten that, I'm going to go in with my liner. This is the e.l.f. liner in the shade Coffee, and I'm going to use that to kind of give my lid a little bit of dimension, and I'm going to go over that with a dark brown color from the palette to create more of a smoky brown liner. So as I go in with my face routine, I'm using this refresher spray that I got from my BoxyCharm box that I absolutely love. And then I went in with my Milk Hydro Grip. And today I actually set my primer underneath my foundation because my skin has been a little more oily than normal. So most specifically in my T-zone, I'm going in with a light layer of powder. And then I'm going in with a color correcting concealer just to get rid of the hyperpigmentation around my mouth area. Y'all, as I'm editing this video, since high-key, I'm looking extra tired. I don't know why I got these bags under my eyes, but I've been feeling a little under the weather and I know better. But hopefully y'all still accept me for who I am and enjoy the makeup tutorial, because this look to me is very pretty, very subtle, very beautiful, but man, my eyes is extra puffy. So just a quick tip, if you do have bags like this under your eye, it's best to probably go in with a concealer that is more close to your skin tone, because if you use a light concealer, it will highlight that area, okay, as it's supposed to do. So if your aim is not to make that area appear accentuated, then I would not suggest using a very light concealer on the under eye. For my lip combination, I use Chestnut by MAC, and then the Aaliyah and MAC collaboration in the color Try Again. And then I'm going to set the face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And y'all, this spray goes off, baby, okay? Cute. It is cute. I just like spraying it, I think. But yes, that's the entire look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was very short. Hopefully you can recreate this and get a little practice out of your makeup. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it. Give me a thumbs up. Share the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.